Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Garden City Nomad. My name is Yuvraj alias Raja. Today we are in the city where heritage and culture meets technology, Garden City of India, Bangalore, the Silicon Valley. In this video, we are going to see monuments that were installed before independence in Bangalore. Let's quickly get to the first monument. This is the War Memorial, erected by the soldiers of First World War in memory of their comrades. This war memorial is situated in Brigade Road and Residency Road, a junction in Bangalore, a crowded traffic signal, and you can see this monument. These are the Tamil inscriptions which are inscribed on this monument. This monument is over 100 years old. Here it says Mesopotamia 1916 to 1918. The other side of the monument war memorial says East Africa. This war memorial was erected in memory of the Indian officers, the British officers, and all the Allied nations' soldiers. You can see all the names of the companies that were included in the World War I from India. Here you can see the Great War inscribed. This was the other name for the First World War. The local Bangalore Metropolitan City Corporation has made arrangements for people to sit and relax around this monument, and this is in between the junction, the heavy traffic junction, Brigade Road and Residency Road junction. You can see the Brigade Road that is full of lights. Our second monument of the day. This is the statue of King Edward VII, the British Emperor who ruled India. As we go front, we can see the the span of years he ruled India, and it's here the British have encrypted here. This is the statue of King Edward VII, the British Emperor who ruled India. As we go front, we can see the span of years he ruled India, and it's here the British have encrypted here. You can clearly see His Excellency the Right Honorable Frederick John Napier Baron Chelmsford, Viceroy and Governor General of India. This was done on the 28th day of November 1919, that is 28th of November in the year 1919, which is over 100 years ago. And you can see here Edward VII, King of Great Britain and Ireland and Emperor of India, 1901 to 1910. He ruled India for 9 years. Erected by public subscription in 1914. Lot of background noise as there's a very big, a huge traffic road out here. This is called the Minsq Square. The same information what I read there, it is here. Governor General and Viceroy of India installed this. Frederick George Napier Chelmsford ಅವರಿಂದ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತ ಶತಕ 19ನೇ ಸಂವತ್ಸರದ ನವೆಂಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳು 28ನೇ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರುವ the same information here. Very interestingly, we have the inscription done in Tamil. It says Governor General Melum Viceroy of India, BCGMS, IGCMG, GM, some letters in Tamil. என்னும் புரிந்துள்ள பெற்ற His Excellency the Right Honorable Frederick John Napier von Selford, கிபி 1919 வருடம் நவம்பர் மாதம் 2ஆம் தேதியில் பிரதிஷ்டிக்கப்பட்டது. So this is very interesting. In Karnataka we have Kannada and Tamil right before independence. These are the Tamil inscription on the British statue in Bangalore. This is so interesting. We do get place to sit and relax around the statue, and the Cubbon Park management has made arrangement to sit and relax. This is our third monument of the day, Queen Victoria statue at the entrance of the Cubbon Park.